All right, the next step in getting the speed handle ready to go is placing 12.125, 12 eighth-inch holes into this particular part. Now, this was set up in a fairly specific way so that it's relatively easy to draw. I don't want you having to individually point and place 12 holes. That's a little bit much. So initially, we're just going to draw a sketch on the top here, okay? Now, all of our dimensions are referenced off of this origin point here. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to fudge in an approximate 2 holes. I'm going to make them both 0.125 inches. And then I'm going to dimension them based on this center point here to actually place them correctly where they belong. So the first mark there is 0.192. This is obviously all on the print, by the way. And then my offset top to bottom, my y-axis would be 0.332. All right, and this one here is also 0.332 high, and then its distance from side to side is 2.308. All right, once those 2 holes are locked down, then to me, the most logical thing to do after this is to do a circular pattern and then knock out all the holes from there. Now, you can do it from the drawing, or you can punch these 2 holes in and then do it from the solid, or we could do it from the drawing. I'm going to do it from the drawing just because. Oh, rectangular pattern, cancel. I need circular pattern. All right, my circular pattern dialog box opens up. That is what I want to copy. My center point is the center point of this circle, or I could select this outer point there. I need a total of 6 circles going all the way around the edge. Hit OK. I'm going to do the same thing again here. Circular pattern here. My center point. I can select the outside edge here, and it'll interpolate the center point, or I can actually select the true center. And again, I need 6 of them. Finish my sketch, and then I just have a rather epic extrusion to do. Extrude. I want to go all. Now, I could use the whole command for this as well. Oh, I screwed up. I could use the whole command for this as well. It does work. It does work very well. I just find that when I'm drawing this with you guys, it's a little bit easier for me to communicate what to do and how to do it when I use the whole command. So I'm just going to select all 12 of these and get them right this time. And then so that's 12 holes there. Now it's important to realize that those locations that I just gave you, the center point of that hole is not actually also the center point of the hex, or the intersection of the corners of the hex. The intersection of the corners of the hex are actually back off into this hole a little bit. I was trying to keep as much strength in the part when I originally designed this. So in other words, you don't have exactly half of the circle offboard of the hex and half the circle inboard of the hex. It's actually, the majority of this is actually inside the borders of the hexagon. That's why I'm doing it in 2 separate steps. So that's that. And yeah, awesome.